Okay. Well, I tried to make videos earlier of this operation. I installed that little 7-inch light bar. The headlights work on old Tetanus Shot. So I'm gonna crank the engine as soon as I turn the key on, that light comes up. Yeah, there it is. There. A little technical, but anyway, there it is, and that baby is bright. I will try it tonight. I tell you what, I'm gonna scoot over and shine it in that window and see what it looks like in the reflection of the glass. Get over here. There it is. Now headlights. All right, we got 2 yellow lights and 1 big bright. And then turn the headlights off. That light stays on all the time until I get me a switch. It's just an LED, so I don't think it'll hurt a thing. And I gotta do something about this oil pressure gauge over here. Kind of caca. Then I installed the temperature gauge today, and at the last second that little tiny capillary line broke, so that thing is out of service. Life goes on with the Jeep. Well, today's project, not involving old Tetanus Shot, is that sump pump that was in here went out, and you can see the water level is right at the intake pipe. So I'm going to stick this pump in there, pump it out, maybe get my shop vac in there and get all the leaves and everything out, and then install a new sump pump. So here we go in the hole. There's the pump down to the bottom, and get the plug that little darling in. It's already kicked in and it's shooting out the water, so now we just gotta wait and watch the level go down to the bottom, and then we'll be back. Okay, well, I used the shop vac, got it clean all the way down to the bottom, got it connected at the union. So all I got to do is, I guess I'll go in the house, turn a faucet on, let the water start running in here, and then we'll see if she works. Okay, the pump just kicked on. There comes the water out. And it doesn't pump long. It should cut right back off. In fact, it just did. Okay, well, it turned out all right. Got her done. Now I'll see if I can get my computer and this camera and all to work, and I'll post the video. But there's the union. Sound like there's still a little water. I can hear it. But it's done. Now I just got to put this stuff up. Thanks for watching, Mud Grip Mike.